Tracking time in ClickUp helps you monitor how long tasks take to complete and manage productivity effectively. Whether you're working on individual tasks or collaborating with a team, ClickUp offers built-in time tracking features to streamline your workflow. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to track time in ClickUp. Log into ClickUp. Access your ClickUp account by visiting the ClickUp website or mobile app. Ensure you are logged into your workspace. Navigate to the task. Open the specific task for which you want to track time. You can do this by either searching for the task or navigating through a relevant list, project or folder. Start time tracking. Inside the task, click on the stopwatch icon located in the top right corner of the task. This opens the time tracking feature. Set your time entry. Once the timer is active, ClickUp will allow you to start and stop the timer as needed. You can enter the time directly if you prefer not to use the stopwatch feature. Add details. If necessary, you can add notes or text to your time entry for better organization and clarity. Pause or stop the timer. When you're finished working on the task, simply pause or stop the timer. ClickUp will save the track time, which can be reviewed later. View time reports. To analyze track time, navigate to the report section in ClickUp. From here, you can generate time reports by project, task, or user to monitor progress and productivity.